Look at all that cut up tilapia. Come here, buddy. Oh! Woo! I'm walking, ready? Watch this. I'm just gonna absolutely load up. Like, what am I gonna do here? You know me, I can't. I'm folding. Oh my gosh. Look how sick these tanks are, bro. Look at that thing. Oh, it's gone, it's hiding. There it is. Here you go, Tommy. All right. We put them into the quarantine tank and we're swapping those for some. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. The boys are looking for rats right now. The rats are so bad here, it's insane. They just ran across there, it looked like a baby pterodactyl. Built this just for my animals' feed to stay away from rats. Check this out. I did a little test bag. I put a bag of corn right here to see if the rats would get into it and eat it. And no rats. Hey! Hey! Inside the garage, we've got a truckload of feed. We're gonna fill that new bin that Hector made just the other day. I filmed a little bit of Hector making this. Look at this thing. It's on wheels. I didn't know Hector was putting wheels on this thing. 8x3. Just to put animal feed inside because of the dang rats. The rats eat all my animal feed, so I have to literally build something that's rat-proof. And now we're gonna load it with food. Shout out to those of you that are members on the channel. You click the join button down below and that helps pay for all this feed. So thank you to you. Exclusive content, merch discounts. You get to see these main channel videos sometimes before everyone else. It's a pretty good gig. Join below. Woo! Fits like butter. Fits like butter. So we have 8 for the pigs, a couple whole corns down there. Probably could have got 2 more of those. I do have another half right here, but this is what I give the pigs mixed in with the all stock. Some extra emu, which they have a full bin over there. They're eating right now, actually. And then 2 extra hays, which is nice. And this literally covers it all and keeps it all away from the rats. Can you tell that all the goats are hungry? I use this hay to go inside the housing for the animals. So they have a little bit of bedding. So that's what I got 3 bales for. 1 for each house. I hate the summer. It's so nasty out here, dude. It's so nasty, I don't even want to be out here.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Enjoy.
Oh. That is how you catch a disease.
Let me see those things right there.
I need a pair of farm boots, dude. Oh yeah.
Clean those bad boys off.
Clean all the disease right off.
What a good farm dad.
Hey, Lady May, get your in here. She listens.
She was about to turn right around.
There you go. Half there. Another half there. Eat up, guys.
How's that feel on your feet?
It's a little bit nicer. It's dry over here.
Yeah, walk straight at me.
I'm walking. Ready? Watch this. Nice. It's just some wet dirt, dude.
Yeah, I get down with all the snakes, the lizards, but
not the wet dirt?
Not a fan, man. Not a fan.
Look at all the pigs. I got them all eating food over here. And now I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. So coastal hay, it starts to look like this after like a couple weeks. It's completely dirt, which the pigs don't care. Like they'll sleep in that. But I like to spoil them with some coastal hay. There's another string out, kick the rest. And with that, they will literally make it all leveled in little tunnels and stuff. We good. That's how it's done right there, baby.
I'm gonna custom make you 11 bowls.
Bowls?
Yeah.
Just drill them into here?
Yeah.
That would be awesome.
That'd be cool, dude.
That would be really cool to have custom, like 11 custom bowls, and each pig has their own bowl drilled to the fence. Smart. Should I do that? Let me know. Well, it's been an hour since the last time I picked up this camera. All the animals have eaten. It is so muddy. It's literally the nastiest it's been in a very long time out here. Thankfully, I built all the houses up into the dry land. So as you can see, they're all on dry land and all the animals are literally hanging out in their house. They've all got new bedding, so animals are good. That leads me to the next point of this video. Let's head over to the aquarium shop. We gotta get a bunch of mices. I'm just gonna load up. I'm just gonna absolutely load up. Now, we need a thing of crabs for the zebra eel. And we'll grab 2 of those. And over behind us is all of Andy's coral. Dude, Andy always does low-key have like
He's got
a
some nice stuff.
bunch of coral.
Oh yeah.
I'm here with my buddy Gio. You guys know Gio.
What's going on,
of
you
course,
guys?
Logan Lee.
Hey, what's up, Cuffaros?
Logan's always got some jokes, huh? Look at some of those. Oh my gosh. Some of those are crazy. Even these. 5 for 100. That's not good.
Not good at all.
That's not good.
No.
How are they gonna tell us that it's only 5 for 100, Cuffaros? Like, what am I gonna do here? You know me, I can't. I'm folding. I'm folding. Oh my gosh! I got distracted. We were looking at coral. This guy distracted me. How crazy would that be if that didn't eat fish? I don't know if it does or not, but that would be.
Dude, there's no way he's fitting through that thing.
Nuts.
No way he's fitting through that thing.
No, he ain't.
I was about to say.
No way. That's sweet. Those are a little expensive.
Harlequin shrimp. Look at how wicked that thing is, dude.
Harlequin shrimp.
So you know, like
Harlequin shrimp.
You know, like in your fish tank when you get all those little like starfish and they just show up out of nowhere. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yep.
The little tiny starfish. These
That
guys
guy
right
just
here survive.
absolutely smokes them.
So like these ones are pink. That one's more blue. They're so gnarly looking, dude.
That is crazy.
There's a goby in here that I'll give you $5 if you find in 30 seconds.
Give me 30 seconds to find this goby.
I'll give you
starting
$5
now.
20.
I'm shocked. I have no idea.
21.
Dude,
22.
Dude, stop.
23.
I don't-
24.
Oh my god. Oh my, he's hiding back there, dude. That
Oh
is
my God,
so
pound trigger.
dope, dude. Look how sick these tanks are, bro.
Like, what?
That was the marine beta right there.
How beautiful that is. It's like a granite countertop.
The Emperor Angel has to be right here.
Top 5.
Has to be top 5 for sure. 100%. And of course, Dory, the blue tang, top 5. I just have yet to get one. I don't know why. I've just waited to get one. I feel like that's like a centerpiece to the aquarium. I have to
Get him one here today, right now. Like
no,
right
no,
now.
Stop that, stop.
All right, bye.
Oh, that is.
Harlequin.
That could go in your fish tank. Like that fish can be in your fish tank. Dude.
That is one of the craziest looking fish.
$199. Dude.
Look at that thing. Oh, it's gone. It's hiding. There it is. Holy smokes. The boys are both convincing me not to get coral today and instead get fish for the quarantine tank.
Get fish now.
Andy typically does not have this stock in store. Like there's a lot. There's literally even saltwater mollies. Look at that thing,
I need this one to move, bro, so I can show you. Like literally flares this thing up on his back.
Oh, the camera won't focus. There it is. Wow, wow, wow.
Save it to
That one is definitely the coolest thing so far that I've seen. The colors are just nuts, dude. That is literally insane. I want it. I want that one. Bangai Cardinal. $25 each.
I would go with the black
Logan
mollies.
likes the black mollies.
Dude, I've been gravitating towards this the whole time.
It is kind of cool that they have freshwater mollies acclimated to salt. And obviously mollies have always been able to acclimate themselves into salt water. I definitely want to do some of these cardinals. These are just super cool. They stood out to me the second I saw them. And it's just for the quarantine tank. And I know those are like one of the most just basic reef safe fish. Like everyone that starts an aquarium, that's one of the first fish. Usually that, the pajama. These skunk clowns right here. They're cheap. They're cheap fish. Maybe we get 2 of these. Yeah, there is really cool damsels over here as well. The thing is, these are very, very mean. They're like little bullies. We can even get these too. There's different types of clownfish that you can get. Those are really cool. The cardinals are secured. We've got those in the bag. I do love these wrasses too. There's some really cool wrasse, and these will be cool in the quarantine tank because they'll go in and out of all the stuff inside. He's right back there. Oh, there he comes. He's coming to say hello. He's so cute. Right there, he just came up. So instead of the bigger one, we'll do the smaller one. We just got out of the aquarium shop. Did a lot less damage than I thought we'd end up leaving with. No corals. We have 2 corals in the quarantine tank currently, but we just got some fish. So I'm super excited with what we left with. Big shout out to Aquarium Shop for always hooking it up. If you guys weren't aware, a tornado literally came rushing through this area and destroyed this area. But they actually recovered pretty quick, and it looks really, really good now. We've got it all loaded up inside the truck. We actually got a lot of RO water as well, like a lot. That way we can always keep on refilling our aquariums as they spit bubbles at me. Here you go, Tommy.
All right.
We are here at Tommy's shop. You might not have expected us to pop in here, but we are putting these fish into quarantine, and in return, we are getting some fish that we can now put into the quarantine tank, like right away. And
you know, some clowns, you can actually hair them.
Really?
You know, like people want to put a whole bunch of Ocellaris clowns in a tank, and it usually ends up really bad.
You could put like 50 skunks in the tank.
If the tank's big enough, yeah.
Wow. And then, of course, our little 6-line wrasse, which, again, we'll be back to get all these. We also have 2 fish from Top Shelf the other day, and got 2 fish for the main tank, an Achilles tang, and a convict tang. Both of those are inside here getting quarantined right now, and like Tommy said, they're going through their process, and those will be back for the main tank. These ones I just gave Tommy are going in now for the quarantine tank soon, and we're picking up some right now for the quarantine now. Make sense? We're all on the same page? All right. Cool. Now it is time to take all of our fish out of the bags and put them into the quarantine aquarium. Those are sweet.
These are itty bitty.
Tiny.
So cute.
There they go. See you guys. Now it's time to go shopping for what we can bring home. Fish number 1, Tommy. What are we getting?
Grabbing the sailfin fairy wrasse.
We're making the saltwater tanks look really nice lately. I mean, I know some people like the farm content. I know some people like the saltwater content. I know some people like the freshwater pond content. I've been doing a lot of saltwater. I'm really enjoying it lately. So hopefully you're enjoying it as well. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And there's no catching disease when you buy stuff that are already pre-quarantined by Tommy himself.
Swam through the technicians, you guys.
It's good to go.
Is the cleanest fish in the world.
So we brought over Tommy my Bangai cardinals that we had gotten. We put them into the quarantine tank, and we're swapping those for some pajamas. There they are. They don't really want to show themselves, but oh, I'm gonna get you on this side. Gotcha. We literally brought over one species of wrasse to swap it out for a different species of wrasse. So same family, just different species. That might have been the coolest footage I've ever got in my life. This shrimp just came off of that and tried to come and land on the camera because he thought it was in the fish tank.
No way.
Dude, it was the craziest thing. Watch. Oh, they're coming out. Oh yeah. What? Tommy said that's not unusual here. He works with these animals, and look at them. Are they cleaning your hands?
They are.
Wow.
Is he cleaning up your hands?
Dead skin cells?
Probably.
Wow.
Wow, that's so cool. Look at that. I like that one. Can I get that one? He's the one that landed on the camera too.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right, we're getting a little cleaner shrimp as well for the quarantine tank. Can we name that cleaner shrimp in the comments down below? It's got to be something really personal because that was one of the coolest clips I think I've ever got. He might even go into the bag himself at this point. And
wow.
Oh
my God.
You're a professional, dude.
That was so cool.
That was awesome. He got him to come up, walk on his hand, and get into the bag all on his own.
This is why we work with our animals.
Yep.
So that we can create good experiences for them and you.
Thanks, Tommy. Appreciate it. We got all of our fish in plastic bags. We're gonna head home to finally put them into the quarantine tank. What a day. What a day. My pump. I can't forget that. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Tommy.
This is for the saltwater pond. It's coming soon. We're working on it behind the scenes, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be crazy. Tommy's locking up shop. He's like, dude, let me get the hell out of here, dude. These kids always come at like 8 o'clock at night.
Am I filming still?
Yeah, you can if you want. Okay. I'll put it in. Why not, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna turn it off. Right. It has been like an hour. I've let these fish sit, acclimate. It's actually pitch black out now. Hello, reflection. It's time to just pop and dump, baby. Look at the little pajamas. See ya, buddy. I got another one. Oh God, oh goodness. Next fish. Oh yeah. Woo! Into the quarantine tank. And last but not least, our cleaner shrimp. Super cool looking. See you, buddy? He's awesome. And that right there is all of our fish. When the lights come on in the morning, I'm gonna pick up the camera. As you can see, our fairy tale wrasse is in the back. Our corals are looking pretty good. They're opening up. You can see our cleaner shrimp right there. He's actually just in the far distance. Oh, and there's the other pajama. There's both of them. One right here, other one's right there. Wrasse, shrimp, all 4 right there. Quarantine tank, coming together. I do want to get more coral. See that building out there though? That's where we're headed next. I've got a bucket full of tilapia cut up right here. Look at all that cut up tilapia. And the fish in the 5,500 gallon are definitely ready to eat. I feel like it's been a bit since I've fed them on camera, so I was like, why don't we do it today? Come here, buddy. Oh, down goes the piece of tilapia. That's the new red tail too. Peace. I feel like we've done a lot in today's video. I mean, we built the thing at the barn to hold all the feed. We fed all the animals. We went to Andy's shop, got stuff, transferred it over to Tommy's, transferred those over to here. We've done a lot. And I feel like this is the perfect way to end off the video. A beautiful feeding in the big pond. Who's gonna get it? I need to clean this window off. The fish are getting so big. Another handful right here. A lot of meat. A lot of meat. Oh yeah. I love feeding this pond so much. Although it costs, it is fun to do. And I love how big my fish are getting because I spoil the heck out of them. I mean, we give them a lot of food here. This is 4 pounds of tilapia and we're doing this like every other day minimum. Every other day, 4 pounds of meat. Think about that, it's a lot of food. It all just goes down to the bottom and they're eating it all down there. Mr. Gar, I got a piece for you, buddy. Come on, buddy. Keep coming. Oh. There it is. Don't get it taken from you. Finish it off. Such a cool fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Last minute I grabbed the camera, but the arowana, our new arowana, just came flying in and grabbed a chunk of tilapia. Yeah, buddy. How'd that taste? That tastes good, huh? Oh, I got one on camera. I threw a piece of tilapia right in front of him and he took it. Ow. There's some. I'm gonna throw the last couple pieces in here. Oh! Now that all the fish have eaten inside of the big pond, spin on over to here. Let's open up and see what Leo the chameleon is up to. I know you don't want to be held right now. I just wanted to show you, give everyone an update on you. The chameleon is, he's good. You know, his enclosure is one of the coolest I've ever made. Hector actually didn't make this one. I will take credit for that one. Speaking about making stuff, saltwater pond. All that's left to do, like you had probably seen the last couple videos, one last coat of paint, some rock on the outside and paint, and of course filtration. And this thing is ready to go. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Like I said, we did a whole lot in it. It's one of those at-home vlog videos, and I know you guys love to see them. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you name our crazy shrimp, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!